Welcome back to your computer science course, Exploring Unit Loops in Coding. Let's take a look at your vocabulary. Condition. Something in a program checks before allowing an action. Conditionals. Statements that only run under certain conditions. Loop. Repeating an action multiple times. Repeat. Doing something again. Until. A command that tells you to do something until a certain condition is met. In this lesson, you'll be able to understand how to create programs using until loops and explain the concept of conditions in coding. Take a moment to pause and review your I can statements. Today we're going to talk about a special kind of loop called an until loop. Remember, a condition is what a program checks before allowing an action. Conditions and loops go hand in hand in coding. Today's mission is all about until loops. These loops keep going until a certain condition is met. We're going to work on puzzles that will boost your understanding of loops and conditions, empowering you to create awesome programs. Let's kick things off with a puzzle from Code Studio. In this first one, we have to get the angry bird to the pig. Let's grab our repeat loop and change it to 3. Then we'll bring in another repeat loop, and we need to change that to 4. Now let's bring in a move forward block and drop it in there. And now we'll need to make it turn left and click run. Great job. Let's try another one. Take a close look at the code below. What do you think will happen when you click run? Pause the video for a moment to decide on your answer. Do you think the bird will not move at all? Will the bird make it to the pig? Will the bird move forward and run into the TNT? Or will the bird turn the wrong way? That's right, it's B. The bird will make it to the pig. We're using the repeat until block. Let's try another one. Okay, we've got to get the bird to the pig. We're going to use our repeat until loop. Then we're going to bring in a move forward block, a turn right block, and another move forward block. And now we need to bring in a turn left block. As you can see up here, I've got 6 of my 6 blocks used, so now I can run it. And it's going to repeat until we get there. Good job. Okay, dear person, me zombie, be hungry, must get to sunflower. Can you get the zombie to the sunflower using only the blocks that are available? Let's try. Let's bring in a repeat until loop, move forward. Then we're going to bring in a turn left block and drop it in. Another move forward block. We've got one more. We need to turn right. We can't forget to do that. Excellent. It's repeating until we get our zombie to the sunflower since he's so hungry. Great work. Okay, now we're going to use the if block as well. So let's put it in a repeat block, a move forward block. Now we need the if path is that what we're going to use now. The if path, and we're going to leave it as to the left and bring in a turn left block and drop it in. This is using the if block to help the zombie decide when to turn. Very good. Okay, I think you have enough practice now. It's your turn. Remember, conditionals are like the decision makers in your code. They help your program make smart choices based on specific criteria. As you go through these challenges, think about when you might need to use a conditional, when you might need to use an if block or an until block, and have fun as you're coding. Great job, Epic Comet. You're ready to move on to the next activity.